In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, put the casters into the underside of the base, pushing them in firmly. Then put the gas stem into the base and put the gas stem and the base onto the underside of the seat. And then pick up the chair so that it's the right way around. To attach the backrest, position this into the seat pan. Using the 3 bolts provided, screw this into place. To attach the armrest, undo the screw underneath the seat. And position this in place. And then repeat the process for the other side. And lastly, attach the neck rest on top of the backrest. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.